Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P40 and today I'll show you how to put the device into download mode. So before we begin, there is one thing that we'll need, which is a power cable that you use for charging, and simply just have it ready on the side. And you want to plug it in also to your computer. And then let's power off the device by holding the power key. Select power off. And once the device shuts off, I'm gonna set it sideways here. You want to hold volume up, and while holding only volume up, you're gonna plug in the cable and keep holding volume up. And from here, let's go to update mode, the third option, and then USB update mode, and the process will begin. Now it will look like it's gonna be stuck on 5% for, well, the entire time, but once it's finished, the device will automatically reboot. So I'll be back once that has happened. And as you can see, now the process is finished and the device is rebooted and it's back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.